Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to change out or repair the oiler on a Husqvarna 340 chainsaw. As you can see already, I've got the bar and the chain off. The next thing you're going to do is just remove the top, and then we're going to pull that spark plug off. Underneath of this black plastic cap, there's a small little kind of spring that's attached to the top of that spark plug. So you're just going to pry that off with a screwdriver. It's a flat blade screwdriver and it should come off pretty easily. Use the tool that comes with your saw just to back off the spark plug and remove the spark plug. And what I like to use is just a piece of soft cord, and you're going to put that inside there just to keep that crank from turning as you loosen off the clutch. Something soft that you can put in there that's not going to damage it, so that when I try and rotate that engine, it's just going to not be enough in there to bind it up, to lock it up so that I can turn and back off that clutch in the off direction as it shows on the clutch there. Then you're going to put a flat bladed screwdriver in the back behind there, and you're just going to hit it with a hammer, and it should just spin off pretty easily. You shouldn't have to give it too much work, provided that cord is still in there and it's holding everything in place. You should just be able to back that clutch right off. So the clutch just backs off. Obviously it is a reverse thread, and underneath you can use a hex wrench and remove that cover. With that thread backed out, just going to pull off the rest of the assembly. And in there is our oiler. And on this particular unit, you'll be able to see that it's actually worn. And that's what needs to be replaced. So here's my new unit in the bag. Part number 5400579-01. That's what you need. So you just replace that. I would clean everything else up in here. Make sure the oil's flowing through there. There's nothing in the way. Put it all back together. The oil comes right out through here. You can pull this rubber piece out. And best of luck.